This video is for new and upcoming detailers. Do not despise the day of small beginnings. What do I mean by that? What I mean is everyone starts somewhere. A lot of us start at the bottom. We did. We've been in business now for 13 years. But you see all this equipment and these tools and this nice garage? Yeah, we finally got to this point after a long time. Now, if you're in the beginning stages of starting your detailing business, or perhaps you did it as a side gig or a part-time thing, and let's face it, you hate your full-time job. There, I said it. Maybe you don't, but you feel trapped and you don't want to be stuck in this job forever. Your passion is detailing. If that's the case, then take advantage of it now. Now is the time to either start your detailing business or grow it from part-time to full-time, even making $3,000 to $5,000 a month. It's not unrealistic. In fact, I know a lot of detailers who have actually contacted me personally and have expressed how much we've helped them and other detailers have helped them to be able to quit their full-time job and go full-time detailing and have so much more money, so much more time for their family, and overall more enjoyment. Now, because of being here on YouTube, this has afforded us a lot of opportunities to network with other detailers. In fact, unbeknownst to so many detailers out there, guys like Alan from AM Details, Jason from Chicago Auto Pros, Jimbo's Detailing, Luke Wilson from Wilson's Auto Detailing, Pan the Organizer, so many other guys out there that, again, unbeknownst to them, they have helped us to grow our business, to be able to get better at what we do. Now, you may not know my motto in my business. It's get better, not bigger. That's just me personally. I have no need for employees. In fact, keeping things simple, just my wife and I owning and operating this business has actually increased our revenue, and it has increased our free time. We work when we need to work. Now, of course, again, it's been 13 years. We have quite the reputation here in our area, but that doesn't mean that you have to build your business up for 13 years. In fact, when we began, I wish we had opportunities like we do now. We have all these different training and educational sources. Yes, we can learn from YouTube, but that can be kind of slow growing. It was for us. Now you can actually do online courses, you can do one-on-one training, you can do group training, and so many of these amazing detailers offer these courses. So like I mentioned, because I have the opportunity to network with these other detailers and actually reach out to them and talk to them personally, that's what I did. In fact, Luke from Wilson's Auto Detailing and I were chatting for the past couple of weeks, and he shared with me something interesting. In a couple of weeks, he's going to have a free online training session. Now, this is huge. He hasn't done this for about a year and a half. It's an exclusive thing. Now, this is something that he is putting on, but I wanted to share it with you guys because, again, there's so many different opportunities out there to learn. So I'll have the link down below if you want to register. And I think you're going to want to register. I have, because I want to see what Luke has to offer. In fact, I still watch many of these YouTubers to be able to see what's new and upcoming. The detailing industry changes all the time. The automotive industry changes all the time. If you're not keeping up with those changes, you're going to lag behind. If you are ready to start your detailing business, or you want to take your part-time detailing business and push it to the next level, then this is for you. Once again, guys, take advantage of every opportunity. Luke is offering this free. Now, he has many other avenues of learning and other online sources, which he's going to share, and I'm really excited about that. But it begins with this. So once again, this is something that is a limited time offer, and I'm really excited to be able to share it with you. So stay tuned to the channel. I will be talking about this more and more in the next couple of weeks. Go register down below if you're interested in that free online training. Don't despise the day of small beginnings. You have to start somewhere. Today's the day. We'll see you guys next time. Have a great week.